Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a question that many beginners ask, which trading is easy to learn. We'll explore 3 popular types of trading and help you decide which one might be right for you. Let's get started. 1. Stocks. First up, we have stocks. Stock trading involves buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. It's a well-known form of trading that offers plenty of learning resources, like online courses and books. With stocks, you can invest in companies you believe in and profit from their success. It's important to stay informed about the company's financial health and market trends. 2. Forex, foreign exchange. Next, we have Forex trading. It's all about buying and selling currencies in the global foreign exchange market. Forex trading is accessible and has user-friendly platforms offered by online brokers. Keep in mind that Forex trading carries risks, like geopolitical events and economic indicators. Make sure to educate yourself and practice before jumping in. 3. Cryptocurrencies. Lastly, let's talk about cryptocurrencies. This type of trading involves buying and selling digital assets on cryptocurrency exchanges. It has gained popularity with the rise of digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cryptocurrency trading can be exciting but also volatile. Learn about blockchain technology, stay updated on industry news, and manage your risks carefully. So, which trading style is the easiest to learn? Well, it depends on your interests and dedication to learning. Each style has its learning curve. The key is to invest in your education and practice with small amounts. And here's a bonus tip. Find a community or mentorship group to support your journey. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people and learning from experienced traders can make a big difference. Remember, trading is a skill that requires continuous learning and discipline. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Take your time, start small, and with dedication, you can become a successful trader in any market. I hope this video helped you understand the different trading styles. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which trading style interests you the most. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.